Hello everyone, and now we will return to the review. There are 7 alt lines, and at the moment, we have a graphical shell of the DIA here. This is a shell for weak computers or for users who do not want to waste their resources. There seems to be little done for it, as they say, a minimum of alterations whistles, but more of the right things, the right programs. Load. So, let's get started. For desktops, so what do we have here? Apparently a viewer. So what is this? I have no idea about all this. Apparently the terminal emulator. Well, CoreFox already knows everything, of course, and CP24, because the distribution is the same. So yes, we look further. The dialer network, Fox Multimedia, and nothing at all his graphics, but an image viewer, an image capture program, will then take a screenshot of the image. So save. Well, let's save it to the desktop, rather already. Saved. There is nothing on the desktop. You will need a file manager to view it. So, we looked at the graphics, documentation, the package management forecaster, the center system, applications. The layout switching indicator is already working for us, the elevator path text editor. Such a simple one we usually have by default. So, the file manager is the simplest by the end. That doesn't mean we can't install something else. You can install some kind of IDE there. It will work fine. That is, this distribution is easy to adapt. And now the ability to install on the hard drive and walls. That is, on some Pentium 2, there are 300 MHz. There with 128 RAM. This distribution will work much no worse than some Windows 2000. Put some simple rather not heavy programs. Everything will be fine. Here is the standard installer. Naturally, we will not bet. Settings. Well, in the settings I see only the theme. I know there is an XP theme here. And here we have such a thing turns out, and Windows XP. Let's say it. Well, that's it. For those who are used to working for XP, please. Such a nice distribution kit. So the theme. Well, let's try this one. There are a lot of different themes and designs here. As for the settings, some graphic settings, you will not find any special ones here. Here is such a walk to follow with an icon, with a logo. Otherwise it would be better to leave by default than to leave some other on this, I think. To finish the review, you have already understood what Saints is. It is a lightweight environment. The distribution itself I would probably have attributed to such with Geek, together with this shell. Such a more working environment is not for home use, although I think the niche of some old low-performance computers there would be better occupied by this distribution. A distribution kit is better than some kind of LAN, which eats probably 5 times more compared to the SIST. I think I'll leave it at that. Have a nice day.